In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can post on multiple platforms at once. So if you're a content creator or social media manager, chances are you need something that can simplify posting on multiple platforms and something that will save you a lot of time instead of switching from app to app. Yeah, the platform that I'll be showing you today is called Buffer. They're the best platform that we found so far. So yeah, I'll guide you through everything step by step. Feel free to follow along. And yeah, with all that being said, let's get started. So here I am on the landing page. And if you guys click on the link down below, you guys can get taken to it as well. And it's super easy to get started. All you have to do is just enter in your email. You can try it for free. There's no credit card required. And yeah, you can cancel anytime if you do go with any of the paid plans. Going up here to their tools, you guys can see that they have tools for publishing, analytics, engagement, creating a start page, as well as an AI assistant. So we'll dive a little bit deeper into each of these categories, but for now, that's a general overview of what Buffer can do. When I go to channels right here, you guys can see that this is all the different platforms that you can link. So if you're trying to merge your Facebook posts, Instagram posts, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Shopify, TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube, then yeah, this platform is perfect for you. You could also link your Google business profile. So that's also really cool if you're a local business. But yeah, now let's move on to their pricing plans. So they have a free plan as well as 3 paid plans. The difference between the free plan and the essentials plan is that you have access to more social media accounts. So with the free plan, you're only able to connect up to 3 different social media channels. For example, if you only want to connect Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. But if you want to connect more than that, then you will have to go with the essentials plan or higher. And with those, you guys can just try it for free for 14 days. And afterwards, you guys can continue to subscribe, or you guys can just stay on the free plan. Down here, you guys can see that there are some extra features like engagement tools, analytic reports. So yeah, if any of those apply to you guys, I highly recommend checking them out. But for most beginners, I think the free plan is perfect, and then you can upgrade as you go along. Now, if I go ahead and log into Buffer, this is what the dashboard looks like. And down here on the bottom left-hand corner, you guys are going to see something that says set up channels. Once you guys click on that, you guys will be able to connect all of your YouTube channels, TikTok accounts, Instagram accounts, or whatever. And yeah, the process is super simple. You just have to sign in and it will then connect your account to Buffer. Now from here, I'm going to show you guys what the calendar looks like. So this is where you can schedule all of your posts. So as you guys can see, it is Tuesday right now. And if I want, I could schedule something for Wednesday. I could scroll through all the different time slots. So if I want to schedule something for 8 a.m., I would click this. I can go ahead and filter right here on the top right-hand corner for all posts, drafts, scheduled, or sent posts. I can go through all the different channels. I can change it from weekly to monthly. And yeah, you guys have seen that we've been pretty consistent this month, but let me just go ahead and change it back to weekly. And from here, if you guys want to create a post, it's as easy as either selecting the time slot and clicking the plus sign, or you guys can just click on create post right here. Let's say I want to create a post that'll go out for 6 p.m. tomorrow. So I'll go ahead and click on that. And now it's going to allow me to choose all the different channels that I want to post it on. Right now it's choosing all the channels, but let's say I don't want to post it on the Instagram account. All I have to do is just click on it, and now it is deselected. So right here, I have the Instagram, and I could choose whether it's a post, a reel, or a story. And I can write stuff or use the AI assistant to generate some text. I can also drag and drop files, whether it's an image or a video. I can add emojis down here. I can also go ahead and add some hashtags if I upgrade my plan. So this is basically going to allow you to add a bunch of different hashtags under a specific category. So if I have a specific set of hashtags that I like to use for the business category, for example, I would just have to set it up once, and then from there I can insert it on any post that I want. But obviously not mandatory for you guys to upgrade the plan to have access to that. This is totally fine. And then obviously down here you have more options to choose your first comment as well as the location. And then here on the right hand side, you're going to see an Instagram preview of what it will look like. So if I go ahead and I type some text as well as add a video, you guys can see that this is what the Instagram preview is going to look like. This is great for being able to see when your text is going to cut off on the post. Yeah, if I want, I could just go ahead and click onto TikTok and then YouTube Shorts right here and then do the same thing. Obviously, they have options specific for each platform. And yeah, I can go ahead and edit the schedule date down here. And yeah, once I'm comfortable with my decision, I can go ahead and go down here to schedule the draft, or I can click on more options and save it as a draft or request approval. This is for if you're working with other teams and you're collaborating with them, but you're going to have to upgrade for that, or you can just go ahead and schedule the post to go out on that specific date. Now going back to the homepage, you guys can see that they have different options right here. So we're on the publishing, but if I go over to the analytics, this will allow you to have access to a dashboard for all of your social media analytics. Right now, this is only available if you upgrade the plan. Yeah, I do think this is worth it if you're going to be using Buffer to manage all of your social media profiles. Next, you have the engagement. So this is basically going to allow you to see all the unanswered comments on a simple dashboard. And this is also only available if you upgrade your plan. But again, very, very worth it if you're going to be using this. And the last thing is just the start page. So this is basically like a link tree, and they have a bunch of different templates that you guys can choose from. But obviously this video is not on how to create a starting page. So if you guys want an in-depth video on that, we can create that in the future. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to Buffer. I would say that the only con to this compared to posting on your own is that you can't do things like set the preview of your video, right? On TikTok and Instagram and YouTube, you could select which frame to show as the thumbnail of the video. So although there are a few limitations to the platform, I think it's definitely going to save you a lot of time if you're looking to post everywhere at once using one platform. What we recommend doing is actually hiring a VA, so a virtual assistant, in order to help you with all of your social media posting. And if you're interested in learning more about that, we have other videos on this channel that will teach you specifically about how to hire a virtual assistant, as well as how to hire for things like a YouTube channel. So yeah, we'll leave links down below for that. And also, if you want to hire talent overseas, like a video editor, scriptwriter, or a virtual assistant, I highly recommend checking out the company Paired. They're going to do everything for you, from finding all the applicants, testing them, and also interviewing them. And so if you have the budget and you don't want to deal with any of the process of hiring, then yeah, I highly recommend checking out Paired. We'll leave a link down below, and you guys just have to fill out the form to see if they're right for you. They have a 90-day satisfaction guarantee, so if you guys don't like the person that you hire in 90 days, they're going to replace them for you at no cost. And yeah, you don't have to pay until you actually hire somebody. So yeah, if you're interested in that, I highly recommend that you check it out. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys got some value out of this video, and if you did, please be sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Here on this channel, we make a lot of how-to guides and tutorials. Anyways, thank you guys so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.